This is the new age of American muscle. This is Hot Rodding 2.0. We don't need your approval. We've earned our street cred, and we're sticking around to push electric vehicles to the next level. We are Revolt Systems. We're the kids who got kicked out of class because we didn't fit into a conventional box. And we love to be told what we can't do. We are repowering classic vehicles to revive them and get them back on the road, faster and more reliable than ever before. We're a part of a new revolution, but it's not political. We know we're not saving the planet. We just want to go fast. Period.